Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials. And today we came up with an interesting video, that is how to create a Gmail address in MS Excel. So why we required this, we will see in the complete video within seconds. Before that, I would require everyone to check the playlist. You will find all the videos related to quality analyst, Six Sigma certification, trainers, operation team leaders, KPOs for the employees, like trainers tutorials, WFM related tutorials. Approximately we have 130 plus videos in our playlist. Check out, for sure it will help you in cracking your interviews, guys. Now let's start this particular topic. Before moving to this, I want to give you few insight why I created this particular video. First thing, what happened, considering I am working as a team leader, and a given day my manager told me, share this particular update with all the employees. Now I want to get the email address for the all the employees to whom I need to share the update. First approach, what I will do, I will go to my headcount summary file. Maybe there will I'll get all the employee IDs of the respective employees, and I will filter out with their team leader names, manager's name, and then I will take all the employee IDs and I'll keep it into the Gmail 2 section. Now the second way what I can do here is, most of the companies, they will create their own email address with their own domain name. Example, if I'm working with XYZ company, so my name is considering Joy, then my email address will be created as joy@xyz.com. If not, they will mostly use gmail.com as an domain name. What they will do, they will create the email address with the help of employee IDs. Sometimes they will create the email address with the first name and merging with the last name. So they will try their some calculation and they will create the employee IDs for the employees. Now I'm considering here as an example as employee ID as an Gmail address. For an example, my employee ID here is 1002211 and my email address says 1002211@gmail.com. This is my email address. Now it will be very easy for me to get the email address for all the rest employees, because I just need, that is, the employee ID of the employees to whom I need to share the updates. So let's start the process. The formula here I can use it. Just you need to select this employee ID equal to, the employee ID is at F8. I will use and I will use domain name. If I do enter, I got 1002211 gmail.com, but I need in between of that, that is at the rate. How can I get this? Let me re-add the formula. Equal to, I have chosen the employee ID cell, then and I will use double quotes, I will use at the rate, then I will close the double quotes, again I will use and then I will use the domain name. I'll got 1002211@gmail.com. Sometimes they will create the email address considering dot before the at the rate. Like I will add dot before the at the rate, which means 1002211.@gmail.com. Let me drag this formula to the rest. I got all the email address. For sure I will copy this and I will directly paste it to the email address section in the email box in the to section. My email address will get pasted within the second, and I no need to copy individual email address. I needed to go to the headcount summary to search it, what will be the email address for the respective employee. Just I need here is the employee ID. This is the one way. The another way how we can do, for an example, there are few employees, considering there are few employees wherein these three employees are belongs to one company, one particular vendor. Suppose I am a client and I need to send an email to one particular vendor, and I need to send this particular update to some another vendor, which is vendor 2, example. Okay, so the people are belong to some another vendor, example they belong to some XYZ company and they are belongs to ABC company. Now how I will add the email address here? It's again easy. Equal to, now I will choose employee ID again. I will again choose and I will choose double quotes at the rate. I will add, suppose they belongs to XYZ company, xyz.com, bracket close, enter. This is done for this particular section. And for this particular section, what I will do, I just drag it and I will add ABC. Suppose they belongs to ABC company, I will add abc.com. So in this way I will get all the rest employee IDs. So here what I have done, suppose there are a different domain names, how we can do this? So because domains name remains common for individual company, if you are sending for the multiple companies, if you are working as a client side, you want to send it to different vendors, then you can do this particular trick here. Now this is all done, you just need to copy this email address and paste it over your mail body, it will work. That's it, guys. So if you have any doubt, any concerns, let me know. Definitely I will help you. Just share your feedback in the comment section, and to check out the playlist, and keep share subscribe the channel so that I will get motivated and I can create a more videos. Also require your suggestion on which topic I can create video in upcoming days. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.